Same dataset, same KPI, same variable map you wrote in Module 3. Left side is what you ended Module 3 with. Iteration 1, OLS, national aggregation, no seasonality, no trend, no priors. We rejected it. Marked it exploratory. Logged 3 structural hypotheses for what would change next. Add seasonality, add a trend term, preserve the per region structure. The iteration log carry them forward. Right side is iteration 2, fitted today. Google Meridian, multi-geo, hierarchical priors, seasonal Fourier controls. First, the implausible negative paid media bars from Module 3 are gone. Social and display are now both positive with credible intervals that exclude 0. The structural hypothesis from Module 3's iteration log that the national aggregation was washing out per region signal is supported by what changed. Second, every bar on the right has a band. That is the Bayesian shift. The posterior is a distribution, not a number. Stakeholder conversations change when the chart is honest about how much it does not know. Module 4 gets us to directional. Honest progress, not a leap.